Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a shirt in Photoshop. First things first, we need to select the shirt. You can use your favorite selection tool for this. I'm going with the magnetic lasso tool, but the quick selection tool works just as well. Take your time to carefully outline the shirt. Once you have your selection, make sure it's accurate. Next, navigate to the adjustment layer options. Click on Hue Saturation. This is where the magic happens. Make sure to check the Colorize box. This will allow us to change the shirt's color effectively. Now adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to find the perfect color that suits your style. And just like that, you're done. You can always go back and tweak the sliders until you get the desired look. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Happy editing!